Hello, YouTube. My name is Mitch. I'm with Mitch Quick Eats. I hope you're doing good today. Today we're going to have whiting with mixed vegetables and rice. We're going to make it so it will be delicious. And I'm just going to make it a little different than everybody else make theirs because I know that how my taste buds are different than your taste buds. And the measurements I'm going to be using is like each one is going to be like 2 teaspoons each. I like a lot of seasonings in mine. So let's get started to cooking. Okay, now what we're going to do is season the fish first. Still white seasoning over them, you know. Make sure that they're cold still, so that some of them might be a little frozen together, but that's not a problem. Just going to take and do it anyway. Okay, now what you're gonna do, like I said, I use curry powder, not to make them curry, but it's properties in it that helps and it's good against cancer, since we know we're all heavy smokers, you know what I'm saying? So I'll just put a little bit on there, just a little bit on there. And a little bit of other seasonings on it. Now that that's done, I'll take each one, egg it, flour it, egg it again real quick, and bread it. As you can see, I had 2 already done already. Then you can do the rest of them like this. So I'll come back when I finish doing the rest of them, and then I'll show you how we're going to cook everything. Okay, now ladies and gentlemen, I know that rice is a good thing, but rice don't have to be plain. He puts a little color and flair in it with the mixed peppers and the onions. And you can add some water to it and some oil. Okay, you can add some water and that's good. Do a light stir in it, so that way, you know, everything's mixed up and then cook. While that's cooking, we can start the. Okay, now we're gonna take each fish and set it in there and let it fry. Enough to put in there for now. And you want to put it on medium high, not too high. So see, the reason why I show you is if you do it too fast, it'll cook too fast. So you just put it on medium high. That way it'll cook like it's supposed to cook. Once in a while, you want to turn it over. Okay, now the veggies, I just want to put in a little water so they can cook a little bit. A little pepper. little oil. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Now, this is a very easy cooking thing that you want to have. You know what I'm saying? Really easy. You just gotta take your time and do it, you know, the right way. Anybody could do it. So I'm gonna make sure the rice is done now. Stir it up with the onions and stuff in it and let it boil down to a cook. And the water comes out of there and it's good, ready to go. As well as the little mixed vegetables. You know? Yep. And there's some mixed vegetables for you, ladies and gentlemen. And I always have vitamins and minerals and vegetables and everything with meats, all the meats. You can't have just meats. You know what I'm saying? You have to have vegetables. You have to have, you know, different types of onions and basils or whatever you want to cook in your meal. You have to do this because this is part of the nutritious value that you have to have.